here we are with another interview of the CHILLVENTA series. It's a pleasure for us to have Kyle here with us. Kyle is one of the most prominent speakers of our webinars and interviews. I'm pretty sure that our public will recognize you really quickly just by seeing you.
Maybe with the glasses though, it's not so normal.
The glasses are new?
The glasses are new.
The glasses are new.
Yeah.
And it's not the only new thing in this CHILLVENTA, because if I don't remind wrong, Fieldpiece brings a lot of new stuff this time in the event.
Absolutely, yeah. So we always want to come to the show with some new products, some new exciting things to share with everyone who visits us. This year is no different. So we are introducing the A3 and the A3 approved products. So an ATEX rated vacuum pump, ATEX rated recovery machine, and ATEX rated leak detector as well. This is where the company and the industry as a whole is really focusing on right now, is the A3 compatible products. So this is what we're bringing to the table now, and yeah, it's exciting. We've had some great feedback from the people visiting the booth over the last 3 days. Yeah, it's really cool, really fun.
So we can say that this CHILLVENTA was being a blast.
I wouldn't want to say the word blast.
A blast, but it's what.
But it's been really fun, and it's definitely not been explosive, but it's also been very explosive.
All right. Both.
Yeah.
Both and both. Half and half.
Yeah, exactly.
All right. So what can I say? In all our trainings, all around the globe, the technicians that relies to Centro Studi Galileo are used to use Fieldpiece equipment for their trainings.
Yeah.
So that brings me to the most important question for us. How much is training and formations important for Fieldpiece?
It's probably the most important thing. You know, we see the fact that the industry as a whole, all around the globe, is admittedly undereducated right now. Yeah, so we're facing a lack of skill set in this industry. It's something that is, I wouldn't call it maybe a crisis just yet, but if we don't do something about it, then maybe we face a crisis, certainly in the next 10, 15 years. And that's just because the infrastructure around HVAC and refrigeration and heat pumps is just becoming larger and larger, and we depend on this stuff. So as Fieldpiece, what we're trying to do now is not only are we designing and producing and these great products, but we're also trying to get out there and share knowledge on why it's important to not only have a good vacuum pump, but to also carry out the procedure correctly. So the training side for us is just as important as the development, as the products. It's a real sort of target we want to achieve, is to make sure we are seen to be training those guys up, and not just so we look good, but also so that we can rely on these engineers, technicians to go out there and keep these systems going, and keep innovating on these systems as well. What can we do better? What can we do more of? So yeah, the training side for us, super important. It's something, we have started to develop even more so our training programs, and we've recently started in Europe with the ambassador program, so the training ambassador program, which means that eventually throughout Europe we will have approved training ambassadors to go out there and spread the knowledge. Tell these guys this is what you should be doing, this is how you should be doing it, and Fieldpiece products are almost a byproduct of that. It's a set aside for now. Fieldpiece instruments, the main focus on the training side is to get the application across of how to do it, why to do it, and when to do it. So yeah, this is a huge topic for us right now. We're at the beginning of the training journey. We still need to put a lot of efforts in, and we're doing that. And as long as we keep on that path, then hopefully we can maintain it and raise the skill level up of everyone in the industry.
It's also quite odd because in many sectors people are struggling to find a job while in this sector the companies are struggling to find people and to find employees. So
Yeah,
if you're looking for a career in the refrigeration industry, this can be a good time to train and become part of this great family.
Yeah,
You
absolutely.
can say family all around the globe.
Yeah,
So-
it is. It's an industry that is crying out for more engineers.
And also technicians.
and technicians as well, and design engineers. It's crying out for as many people as we can possibly get. We just need to make sure they're the right people and train them up, and that's what we're doing. That's what we're focusing on.
It's perfect. So, what can I say? Thanks, Kyle, for being with us today. Like all the time, I suggest our viewers to check out the website of Fieldpiece and your social network and your newsletter, because they are every time extremely interesting, and it's really important to keep up and don't lose the trail of the innovation that you are bringing on the field every single day. Thank you for your time, and see you on the next interview or in the next webinar.
Yes, thank you very much.
Kyle used to be one of our most prominent speakers in so many occasions. Thank you so much.
My pleasure. Thanks so
See you
much.
later.
Take
Bye-bye.
care. Bye-bye.